Do not make eye contact with people during a conversation. Because I just had a conversation with someone and I'm normally really bad at keeping eye contact, so I've been trying to get better at it. But during this conversation, I concentrated so hard on making eye contact with them that I completely forgot to listen to anything they said. So I looked super engaged because I was staring through their soul, but I didn't comprehend a word. But this was a big mistake because when the conversation was over, they said, "So what do you think I should do?" I said, "About what?" And they said, "What I just told you about." So I had to admit to them that I didn't hear a word they said the whole time, so it's just not worth it to make eye contact. I can't focus on two things at once, and this is probably what I looked like anyway. Yeah, totally.